Hi everyone, I'm in the UK and Ireland journal swap and I've received my book today from Emily. That's EMILY280881 and I've got to say I absolutely love it. So I've got a lovely lot of charms there. It's a heart. And there's a heart there with like some coloured glass in it. There's a little crown. Cameo. I love that. Little glass bead. Key. And that huge pink heart on the bottom. Lovely. I love it. And some seam binding at the top. And I love that little vintage image. Is that from the Happy Days collection, Emily? And then there's a lovely pink flower with a beautiful centre. Lovely little cameo there. Slip pin. Lots of flowers. Pearls. And then on the inside, there's a couple of tags. And another one. I absolutely love this. Thank you, Emily. I love it. And she also sent me some goodies. There's a couple of sheets of these, which are really cool. And loads of die cuts. I won't get them all out because there's like really tiny bits there. And my cats will run away with them. But these are lovely. Thanks, Emily. And then I've got these. Some little flowers and hearts there. And some of that lace. It's lovely. And that, I really love the colour of this. That's gorgeous. So thank you, Emily. I really enjoyed this swap and I love my journal. Thank you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.